In this video, we will discuss about an important component of the living cell, the nucleus. It is generally spherical or oval and located in the center of the cell. It can be stained and seen easily with the help of a microscope. The main components of the nucleus are the nuclear membrane, nucleolus, and the chromosomes. Now we will study the structure in detail. Students, pay attention to the diagram. As you can see, nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by a membrane. It is known as nuclear membrane. This membrane is also porous and allows the movement of materials between the cytoplasm and the inside of the nucleus. Under a higher magnification microscope, we can see a smaller spherical body in the nucleus, and this is known as nucleolus. There is a colorless dense fluid inside the nuclear membrane and is known as nucleoplasm. In addition, nucleus contains thread-like structures called chromosomes. But the chromosomes can be seen only when the cell divides. Chromosomes carry genes and help in inheritance or transfer of characters from the parents to the offsprings. What is gene? Gene is a unit of inheritance in living organisms and controls the transfer of a hereditary characteristic from parents to the offsprings. For example, if a father has brown eyes, the child may also have the possibility of brown eyes. Nucleus is also known as the brain of the cell because it is the control center of the activities of the cell. Students, the entire content of a living cell is known as protoplasm, which includes the cytoplasm and the nucleus. So, protoplasm is called the living substance of the cell. Students, the structure of the nucleus is not same in all types of cells. For example, the nucleus of the bacterial cell is not well organized like the cells of the multicellular organism. There is no nuclear membrane, and the cells having nuclear material without nuclear membrane are termed as prokaryotic cells. And the organisms with these kinds of cells are called prokaryotes. Examples are bacteria and blue-green algae. Students, the cells like cheek cells and onion cells having well-organized nucleus with a nuclear membrane are known as eukaryotic cells. All organisms other than bacteria and blue-green algae are called eukaryotes.